Work towards whatever you want and you will achieve it. I always follow this panda that it's like dream, believe, and you will achieve. So all the best to everybody. Congratulations and give your best. Be happy.
Good evening. Chandani, congratulations for walking the Sneha, I think it's come, that time has come where you feel bad that someone new is coming. I mean, you can remember those days, I guess, right? It was unexpected and you won it. That was really nice. And the best part about Indian Princess is nobody knows who's going to win it. That is the best part. In fact, that is the best part. And I enjoy it the most because that's the reason why I look at you all equally. And when I said eliminations is good sometimes, so that it keeps you on your toes. It's not because I want you out, but because you need to know that competition is important. Because you need to be serious, that's most important. It helps individuals, every individual. It's not that I want to have it, but it's nice when you know that you haven't, you're expecting only 24, 25 to leave, then the other 3 are the ones. Anyways, let's come to the best part of Dubai. I'll take you through Dubai. Dubai, 3 days we're going to shoot. Like I said, we're going to Marina Homes where we're going to have a 3-night shoot, actually, not a day shoot, so we'll be sleeping in the day. And the rest of the 3 days we're going to take you out. One day we're going to take you out for a desert, taking you out to Dubai Mall, where you can shop till you drop. And then the day after that, we'll be taking you out to a nightclub, where you can party. A technical run, that's serious. So we want you to party before your technical run. And then we have the main event. Making this happen because I guess you guys, a lot of people in Dubai are waiting for you to come there. You've been very nice, very, very nice. Even the whole day today, I know what we've gone through, but I'm so surprised, believe me, I'm really surprised. So, very, very good. I would like each one of you to come and introduce yourselves to the...
How are you all?
Hello.
Sleepless nights? Yeah? All the best and
So memorial, and it's such a great experience. In South Africa, one of my main goals is women empowerment, being Miss India is international, and seeing the brand Mrs. Kalishman promoted so thoroughly. I'm so lucky to be a part of it. I'd like to thank Indian Princess for giving me this opportunity to come all the way here and treat me as if I haven't even left home.
And honestly, I think Indian Princess promotes and supports the lives of the martyrs, and I can't be more thankful for such a good cause. Second thing, I strongly believe that the girl child is a gift which every person should adopt it as an orphan, as a baby, and nothing should go wrong when you get a girl child. Currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Architecture, as I told you, and being an architecture student, I really want to go ahead in this media line and build for people, build for the underprivileged.
21 years old from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, I have completed my graduation and I'm a big time sports lover as I'm a national level table tennis player and gold medalist in long jump. I'm here to win the most coveted tiara of Indian Princess Season 7 and to contribute myself with the great causes that Indian Princess working on is women empowerment and army. I also strongly believe that if I can dream it, I can do it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pooja Shetty from Urdi, Mangalore. I am a graduate. Having passion in acting, I have done few commercial ads. I am a keen learner and I love reading motivational books. So I believe in dedicated and positive.
Bringing up sports, curriculum, theatre, acting, modeling, academics, you name it. I've been traveling since I've been class 7th, being a little child of it. And I want that every girl receives the same set of parents who push them, who believe in them, and make sure they get the best of what.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Divya Suri, and I'm. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm greetings everyone present over here.
I've completed my graduation. I've also worked with a digital startup as a content writer. I'm also a trained dancer, and while I've learned forms such as ballet and modern, my heart lies in jazz. And I'm absolutely looking forward to this pageant. Thank you so much.
Good evening everybody. मैं प्रिया नीनावे ऑरेंज सिटी नागपुर की रहने वाली एक बीकॉम ग्रेजुएट हूँ। प्रोफेशनली मैं एक मॉडल हूँ, इसलिए मैं अभी मुंबई में रहती हूँ। मैं बहुत मेहनती और आशावादी होने के साथ साथ इस सोच के साथ अपनी मंजिल की ओर बढ़ रही हूँ कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है। Thank you so much.
I'm an Indian woman who lives in the Netherlands. Secondly, I think we Indian women have to inspire the other Indian women that we have it all it takes. We are beauty with brains. A few minutes more.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Being a dance choreographer and actress by profession, I'm a very passionate bike rider. Glamorous outside, simple inside, myself, Divya Agarwal from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Thank you.
Delhi, being a firm supporter of
become correspondence, and I also did diploma in acting. I just believe in myself and
अरे दादा आप सब मिल जाएगा
We have all the finalists and winners of Indian Princess 14 and 15.
नहीं बाबा पहले लाइट कम करो जरा हाउस बनना है ना
Some chairs, 7 chairs, 8 chairs, 9 chairs.
एक लाइन चेयर पे भी
One of you can come here.
पीछे आओ सब आया चलो दुकान सर सर
दोनों को आगे ले लो मस्त दोनों को आगे ले लो मस्त
एक मिनट चालू और
बुला लेना दोनों को आगे
ना वाइड है पूरा
पड़ जाएंगे
Biggest smile, please. Biggest smile. There you go.
वाली फोटो चलिए अरे वो फ्लैश नीचे अरे यार सुजीत थोड़ा ये करते हैं अरे वेट सर वेट अरे वेट योगेश भाई एक मिनट हाँ रानी बोलो निकल बाजूला का wait. Yes. Yes. चांदनी जी इधर बोलो ठीक है चांदनी जी इसमें
Okay, give Mr. Yogesh a big hand for putting all this over. You must have seen bright all over, right? For all the visuals and all the Mr. Yogesh bright. Please give him for supporting us. And now we want Chandni and Sneha to
इसको चेयर दे दो बस बस सामने
Slightly down.
यहाँ देखिए प्लीज
All of you look in front, you get a chance to look at it later. Okay? There are three altogether. One is unveiled. You can unveil the second one, please. Done. Unveil the second one.
अरे ऐसा नहीं होना यार उनको हाथ में दे दो ना नीचे बैठे हो उधर चल रहा अरे चल करो ये सामने यस रेडी
Yes, ready?
all these pictures were bright.
शुक्ला जी शुक्ला
Thanks to me and you.
ओ शुक्ला जी
So long. We're doing the hard work.
बचाओ तो
So you can look inside. The travel partners there. This side.
Yes.
Okay, we take the walk. Number 2 follow. After mid-ramp, number 4 will follow. That's a mid-ramp. Follow.
Pose.
That's good.
Middle the sides, okay?
Center. Center. Okay.
Hold, 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 hold. Hold, hold.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Hold on. मत पढ़
Yours from this side. This side. To make sure.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
अब आप घुमा मत, आप दूसरे को भी करने तो भी करते रहे।
अरे यार करो ना यार, तुम लोग एक बार चालू है तो लगी जाती है। न्यू पीपल
make your journey as beneficial as possible, and just live every moment. Be yourself, be good to others, be confident, and believe in yourself.
Okay, season 7 is here, you know.
Yes.
Even this Indian series have seen a long journey. You know. What do you think personally? You know, what is the success behind this entire, you know?
I think it's this pageant is made the idea behind whole pageant is really noble and nice. That's why it's gaining so much success, as we are told that it's related to two social causes, that is girl child education, and we support martyrs also, and who have led their life in wars. So I think that's what keep it going, and year by year we are getting bigger and better. Like last year we went to Thailand for the finale. It was our first World Grand Finale, and now this year we are going to Dubai, and now maybe next year Holland, and till Las Vegas. So we'll expand, and the beauty of Indian Princess will increase with every year.
Okay, how life is changed post Indian Princess, especially Chandni. We also heard you also doing something also.
Yeah. The movie is I can't disclose the name right now, but it's a good movie, and it's a Bollywood movie, and I'm working as a main lead. I'm doing it as a main lead, and after Indian Princess, my life changed totally, because people started recognizing me. Obviously, as a girl next door, I don't have so many mics and cameras looking at me and waiting to hear my views about anything. So now I have a voice, and which reaches up to people, and people recognize me, and after that I got 2 international pageants through Indian Princess, and I could discover myself. I could reach up to the depth of myself which I couldn't earlier. So Indian Princess has given me that confidence.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, I'm not actually nervous. I'm very excited for the show, for the finale. It's in Dubai, and this is the very special thing about Indian Princess, that the international that gives an international exposure to the girls. So it's always international. Like when I won, it was in Thailand, and now this year it's in Dubai. So it's every year it's being great and even better than the last.
What tips you want to give to the new girl who just arrived, a part of, will be going on another journey?
Well, as much as I've seen, all the girls are very pretty, all of them are very good, and I really like all of them. I would just like to tell them that all the best for the finale. Give your 100%, because this is just once in a lifetime opportunity. This chance doesn't come to everyone again and again. You get to represent your country at an international platform, as I represented my country at Miss Intercontinental. So it's very great thing to win and shine.
Okay, what success mantra you want to give them? What is the success mantra?
The success mantra that I would like to give is that dream and then work hard to make it come true.
Thank you so much. दिस ईयर इंडियन प्रिंसेस पहली बार तो दुबई जा रहा है,
दैट्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली. ये कोई अभी तक तो गया नहीं दुबई में, तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ फैंटास्टिक इवेंट. और इंडिया चेयर करना चाहिए दुबई के लिए, because all contestants from India, 27 contestants from India are going to Dubai. First time ever from India to Dubai, so it's going to be a great show. We are doing a total fashion event. First round is going to be Indian ethnic wear. Second round is going to be fitness wear. Third round is going to be a cocktail wear, and the fourth one is a gown. उसके बाद में फिर इन लोग के सिलेक्शंस होंगे. Then we nominate the first, second and third, and may the better one win.
सीजन 7 चल रहा है, तो क्या क्या डिफरेंस देखा आपने साथ?
सीज़न 7 बोलेगा तो दुबई जाना बहुत तकलीफ काम था एक्चुअली, बिकॉज contestants को अभी तक तो कोई गया नहीं. No one has really gone to Dubai to do an event like this. So it has been a big achievement, thanks to Mr. Sunil Rane sir, who has helped us to put this through. Without him, nothing would have happened.
कुछ टिप्स देंगे उनको जो आ रहे हैं
बच्चे लोग को? Yes, definitely. Tips तो हर दिन देते जा रहे हैं उन लोग को, and I think that they'll do a great job. I really think that they'll do a great job.
हिंदी कॉमर्स के लिए कोई प्लेटफॉर्म रहेगा जो
अभी 3 साल से इंडियन प्रिंसेस ने बहुत सारे अचीवमेंट्स किया है. हमारे एक लड़की तो विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट्स के लिए नॉमिनेट हुए थे. इतने बड़े अचीवमेंट इंडिया के लिए तो इट कुड बी नथिंग बेटर देन दिस. बाकी आपने सुना हो, इवन आवर कंटेस्टेंट्स हैव गॉन एंड वॉक फॉर न्यूयॉर्क फैशन वीक. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. इंडियन प्रिंसेस कंटेस्टेंट्स, great achievement, great job and great runway. Thank you so much.